Hello, my name is Richard McDowall and I'm the founder of Wow Bang Boom, the IT consultancy specializing in technology to improve business performance. And in my AI series, I'm sharing my findings from my own research into artificial intelligence. In my previous video in the AI series, I delved a little deeper into how machine learning works. And in this article, I'm going to introduce linear regression, a part of machine learning. Here I'm going to look a little into what linear regression actually is and what it means within the realm of machine learning, and how it can be used to help predict future values based on existing input data. Today, the linear regression model is probably the most widely used algorithm in the whole world. Basically, linear regression simply means trying to fit a straight line, a linear line, to your data. Let's start with an example of a use case that can be addressed using linear regression. Let's say we want to build artificial intelligence that will predict the price of a warehouse based on the size of the warehouse. This might be a useful piece of software for a company to estimate the amount they are going to spend on warehouse storage space. Okay, let's start by creating that use case. And so, as a warehouse manager, I would like to utilize a linear regression model using my warehouse size and price data so that I can predict the price of a warehouse using any given size. Okay, that's our use case. Now let's create the solution. Firstly, let's start by mapping our data set on warehouse prices in the UK. Remember that a data set is the data that we use to train our model. Let's map our data using a graph where the horizontal axis is the size of the warehouse in square meters, and the vertical axis is the price of the warehouse in pounds sterling. Here's the plot for the data points for a selection of warehouses in our data set. Now let's say our organization is looking for a new warehouse facility, and you're helping Sally, the warehouse manager, to cost her new acquisition. Sally is asking how much it might be to budget for a new warehouse which is around 2,500 square meters. Here we can build a linear regression model from this data set. The model will fit a straight line through the data. As we can see here, based on this straight line fit through our data, you can see that the warehouse with a size of 2,500 square meters will intersect at a point of best line fit to the data. And if we trace it to the y-axis, we can see that the price will be around £430,000. And so we can now inform Sally that we predict the acquisition of her new warehouse will cost around £430,000. Even better, we can wrap the model around software like an app or a web page portal so that she can easily use the model herself to get predictions for her warehouse expansion. Which means our organization has a very happy warehouse manager because she's saving lots of time both now and in the future, not having to search for warehouse prices. And the organization is happy because Sally is using the time she saved to do other useful things. And so, to summarize, this is an example of a supervised learning model, because we are training a model by providing it with the right data, allowing the model to predict the value of the warehouse. This is called a regression model because it predicts a number. Any supervised learning model that predicts a number is addressing what's called a regression problem. I hope this has given you an overview of linear regression and how developing linear regression models can help us make data predictions. Stay tuned for more AI insights in my Wow Bang Boom AI series. And if you like this video, please click on the like and subscribe buttons below. See you soon.